Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorial on games. So in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can view your Fortnite stats in Fortnite. So to do this, after you're in the lobby, you need to head over to this career tab right here, press on it, and after you're in here you need to click on stat options. In here you'll see a bunch of stats options such as the mode, the ranked option, the party size, and the time frame. So I want to view my entire time frame career and I want to view it, so click on the career and click on apply, and once you have done that, it will show you the stats of all of your career throughout your playtime of Fortnite. Here you can see the victory royales, top 10s, top 25, and all of the stuff that you want to see. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, in the comments down below, please let us know what video you guys want us to cover and we will do so. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.